Hello everyone, I am Professor Dr. Saifullah Brohi, consultant laparoscopic and bariatric surgeon and assistant professor of surgery at BMC Jamshoro. For years, I have treated patients suffering from the devastating effects of obesity, and I can tell you this, obesity is not just about body weight, it is a disease that slowly damages health, shortens lifespan, and steals happiness. Through this awareness campaign, my mission is simple: to help people live healthier lives without depending on medicines. The first step towards a healthier life is awareness. So let's start with understanding what obesity really is. Obesity means excessive body fat that harms health. Medically, we use body mass index or BMI to measure it. A BMI of 30 or above is classified as obesity, but remember, it is not about appearance, it is about health. Obesity is a chronic medical condition, just like diabetes or heart disease, and it needs proper care and attention. So how does obesity develop? It does not appear overnight, it develops gradually, often over years. The most common causes are 1. Unhealthy diets filled with fried, sugary, and processed foods. 2. A sedentary lifestyle with little or no physical activity. 3. Genetics, meaning some people are naturally more at risk. 4. Stress, depression, and emotional eating. And 5. Sometimes medical conditions like thyroid problems or side effects of certain medicines. Knowing the causes is the first step towards prevention. And what are the effects of obesity? The dangers of obesity go far beyond just body weight. Obesity increases the risk of many health problems. This includes diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, infertility, arthritis, and even certain cancers. It also affects breathing, sleep, and mobility. Moreover, obesity damages mental health. It can cause depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. Beyond the individual, obesity is a social and economic burden. It reduces productivity, increases healthcare costs, and leads to stigma and discrimination. This is why obesity must be treated as a serious disease, not just a cosmetic issue. Now, can obesity be prevented? The good news is that obesity can be prevented and it can be managed. Small, consistent changes in lifestyle make a huge difference. Here are a few steps anyone can take. 1. Eat natural, balanced meals with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 2. Reduce sugary drinks, fried foods, and packaged snacks. 3. Exercise daily, even a 30-minute walk is powerful. 4. Get enough sleep and learn. 2. Manage stress. 5. And most importantly, consult healthcare professionals for guidance and support. Remember, you don't need to make big changes all at once. Even small improvements, repeated daily, can transform your health over time. To conclude, obesity is one of the biggest health challenges of our time, but it is not undefeatable. With awareness, responsibility, and discipline, we can overcome it. As a surgeon, I know the cost of late treatment, but as a teacher and campaigner, I believe in the power of prevention. Let us choose health over habits. Let us take action today for a better tomorrow. Together, we can fight obesity one healthy choice at a time. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Stay healthy, stay aware.